Brad Williams, Excel Prime. How to calculate customer churn. What is customer churn, or what percentage of your customer base are you losing on a monthly basis? What we're doing is calculating. We have a beginning number here in D4. We have new subscribers, and we add those two together. Then we figure out how many subscribers we lost, and we take D8, this 345, divide that by our starting number. We lost 7.22% of our customers. Let's look at another example. We have subscribers at 4077. We have new subscribers at 497. We have subscribers at end of month 4574. Well, if you put this into dollars and cents, let's say we have monthly revenue of 450, cost of goods sold 148, gross margins of 302. What are these customers worth? Well, the average customer is G14 right here, gross margins, divided by D14, subscribers at end of year, which is worth $66.04. What is the customer value? We take G16, which is 6604, and we divide that by D17, this churn rate, which is 688.63. What is the average churn rate? Well, we took 4132. These are just random numbers. And then we have new subscribers, again, which is a random number. And we have subscribers at end of month, 4653. These random numbers are all in parallel. So we have a random number between 4,000 and 5,000, and random numbers between 3 and 900. They're consistent. We have random numbers between 2 and 400. Well, each example has the exact same parameter. Oh, well, this one may be lower, 4,000, 5,000. This subscribers at the beginning of the month could be higher or lower than this, which is fine. And now we have subscribers at beginning of month. If I was really accurate, I would take these numbers and average them and compute this a little better. This is purely an example. So we have 4132. We have new subscribers 521, 4653. We have subscribers less 379, and we have D24 divided by average D20 by D22, and we have 863. Now, if this was month 1 and month 2, and I had a series of these, I would take the average of this number and the average of this number and then add them together to get a better picture. But that'll give you an idea of that's just how you would do the average. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. See you soon.